Yo, what's up guys? We're over in Kuwait City. We're at Dukkan Burger. Let's go check it out.
What we got here is an appetizer. This is the famous Dukkan fries. It's with fries, crispy onions, jalapenos, mayonnaise, and brown onions. And let's try it.
Hey, what about me?
Fail.
Hey, what about me?
Masarap siya, bala kayo sa buhay nyo.
Hey, first you gotta learn how to eat before you could do a review, right guys?
But parents, you know how to review.
Hey, I said what about me?
Dukkan fries. It's a vegetable fries with Dukkan sauce.
I'm hungry. Get one on top. There you go.
Looks like an onion. Watch this, everybody. Mommy.
Joshua.
Mommy.
Mango taco milkshake.
Mommy.
Sorry, brownie milkshake.
Mommy. Choose the one now.
Thank you. This right here, this is Jasmine's. She got the Vimto. This is Jacob. He got the Oreo. And this is Joshua. He got the mango.
Dude.
Oh, sis.
Is it good? Don't get a brain freeze. What does it taste like?
What is this like?
These are the Dukkan fries. Let's get it. We got some crispy onions on there too. Only time I eat crispy onions is like Thanksgiving. So this right here was like Thanksgiving right here. You know, you gotta be thankful for something. I'm thankful for this. Now they got a lot of meat hidden in there. Yeah. Cheesy, meaty, jalapeno, spicy, French fries, filling your gut up, food.
The burgers, Middle East and the Dukkan burger. Middle East burger.
Yeah, guys.
Hey, Mommy. Remember you brought me that toy over there?
This right here is the Dukkan burger. All right, let's get in there. Dude, I love a burger that has a good bun, not like a big old overpowering bun that you just want to throw across the room. I'm talking about this one right here where you can squish it together. Yeah, see that? Yo guys, I know what this reminds me of now. It reminds me of a shawarma. All right guys, we're gonna go dive into the Birkin fries. I don't even know how to eat this. I guess just smush it down. Here, I'll just pick a piece right here.
This is the Middle East burger.
Noodles, we're in the middle of the noodles. In the middle.
It's good.
Yo, what's up guys? If you come over here, you gotta get the milkshakes. The Oreo milkshake, mango milkshake, Vimto milkshake, they're all good. Burgers are good, Birkin fries are good, and right now they got a deal. You get 2 burgers, appetizer, fries, and 2 drinks. 8.5 KD. Good deal. The heck? He must ate too much.